Ikhomishana kaMadlanga izohlala ekolishi Bridget Mabandla Justice College ePitoli. Kanti sixhumene nofakazi abazovela phambi kwayo. Ufakazi wokuqala ozovela phambi kwayo nguMkhwanazi.
As Justice Madlanga said at our first media briefing on the 28th of July, consultation with the first witness was, in his words, imminent. We can now confirm that the consultation to which the chairperson of the Commission, Justice Madlanga, referred was with Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi, whom the Commission intends to call as its first witness. The Commission has simultaneously been in consultation with a number of other witnesses whose details, based on security considerations, we are not at liberty to divulge.
Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa wanika lekhomishana inyanga ezintathu kwethula umbiko wesikhashana ngophenyo lwayo nezinyanga ezisithupha ukuhlinzeka umbiko wokugcina. Kepha ngenxa yokubambezeleka kokuqala kwayo kuzoba nenguquko kumnqamlajuqu okwethulwa umbiko kumengameli. Ikhomishana izokwenza izincomo ngekutholayo ngophenyo lwayo kumengameli.
And there the law is clear, our findings are not binding. All that we can do is make a recommendation to the President. Our recommendation doesn't bind the President, it doesn't bind the people in respect of whom we make those recommendations or make those findings.
Ikhomishana yowabe eyiliphini lenhloko yamajaji uJustice Mbuyiseli Madlanga yasungula ukuphenya izinsolo zokugxambukela kwezombusazwe emsebenzini wamaphoyisa ezavezwa nguKhomishana wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngoNtulikazi.